Hey, I wanted to get on here real quick and just go over. I'm getting a lot of kickback about my ads running on Facebook and Instagram. A lot of past homeowners that have gotten presentations are complaining. They don't want to deal with anything going with solar. They've had a bad experience. That's not my fault. I'm not here to do that kind of thing. I'm only here to benefit the homeowner. The reason that you're seeing all of this is because there is a market here in Florida, especially Jacksonville. It's the Sunshine State. It's profitable because it sells. It's not only profitable for me, but it's also profitable for the homeowners. It saves homeowners tens of thousands of dollars. I'm a solar purchaser myself. I get mine installed this week. I cannot wait. My payment for my solar is actually cheaper than what my bill was. That happens more often than not. Sometimes it does cost maybe $1 a day, but over the course of 25, 30 years, you're going to save tens of thousands of dollars. And once I present this to homeowners, they totally understand. Then they jump on board. Allow me to help them save money. Again, this is Logan with U.S. Energy Savers Jacksonville. Thank you.